Let's see.
Here, Baba, it's white. I guess I shouldn't be wearing white. You do something, you please. Oh, that's what I smell. Baba, yeah, the ba.
Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Stop.
Rolling.
So I use that one for lock that deposit, okay?
This one right
Second
here?
one, yeah, because that's perfect amount.
You ready? You're fired.
Clear?
You're fired.
Yep, got it.
Okay.
And cut.
Hi.
Yeah.
Aye.
About a minute. The shiny spot, also the solid one, goes face down into the bearing. Okay. Make sure the groove points upwards,
Got it.
and then it's going in. Push it down. Okay.
Oh. Sweet. Just a little out of alignment at the bottom, but that's right.
This is with the groove side. There's a cut in here, a step. That's the outer one.
Remember, move slowly for me, Joseph. Move slowly. No, point it up at the camera so I can see it in there. Very good.
Ready?
Yes. And
Take
good.
it. I take it.
Yep.
Perfect. Now I take this with this thing on there. It's secured. Okay, can you see that? It's working.
One more time. Yes.
It's a good hold. I put a little lock nut on the outside. Very little. I take this. Done?
Yeah, I got it. Oh, it's flush. Everything's all flush in there.
Yeah, it's flush with this corner. This face
Yes.
is flush with the
Oh, yes.
rotor bearing.
Got it.
Now this here got a little step on there. Okay? That prevents the inner ring being pressed against the outer ring. There's a step here. There's one step here and one step here. It's a 3-step washer. The steps go down first. So we take this, bring it in. Okay.
Show me. Show me. Yeah, okay. Got it.
Then a drop of Loctite.
Where? Show me where.
See the Loctite in here?
Yes. Oh. Yeah, on the inner.
Yeah.
Yep.
So I leave this here.
Yep. That's it. Okay.
We'll lock that on here. See that?
Yeah. Yeah. It's in focus. Good.
You see it?
Yep.
Gotta take turns if you help.
Very good.
Where's that one? Keep running.
Got it.
Help, okay? Keep eating those apples.
Make sure.
And no Coke. You got it?
Lay free. Easy
No
running.
Coke.
Okay?
Great.
Help us.
That's it. And then the second one goes on here like this.